Okay, this is John in Los Angeles, November 27th, 2023. I'm up at Signal Hill again. It's about 4:15. Following one of these a-hole planes, but look at the whole sky here. It's Long Beach. I can't even speak anymore, I'm telling you. But look at this. No, this is clouds. I tell you that almost every day, I'm sure. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, those are clouds. Sure. Yeah, they look just like them. But look at this. I mean, this filth is here every time they come through here. It starts out white, then it goes to orange, and then it goes to black. It looks like the gateway to hell. Up in here you can see the microwave patterns. Look at that. Very natural. Oh yes. Yeah, it's sad. People are taking pictures up here and they think it's beautiful. To them it is, I guess. To me, it's maddening. Sure, there's a contrail for you. That's it. Yep. Try to show this to you real quick. There's something up there going by. I don't know what it is. I think it's a plane, but I'm not sure. Anyway, take one quick look through here, I guess. You can see this guy screwing around. This is really evil, guys. It seriously is. I talked to a guy in front of the market a little while ago, and he thought this was condensation until I showed him through my camera that I shot all the orange sprayers and all the stuff. He was got a whole new attitude. I ruined his day. Proud to do it. This. Anyway, I guess that's enough. I'm going to bore you to death, but just have to show you this stuff, guys. Look at that.